As with all complex construction, there are often necessary modifications that must be taken care of. Here's the Lazzara solution to this particular one.
We're working on a modified system here for the new 840 for the European version that has a passerelle to the starboard side. So we've modified the exhaust here because the passerelle is down into the space approximately 11 inches. To do that, we've modified the mixer valve that sits in line horizontally here from what used to be a vertical, and we've offset it with 245s to allow for the interference of the passerelle. So originally we were up here in this line where you can see the radius and the bend in here. We've now offset this to accommodate the water mixer valve in here, the offset of the 45 in here. We can now put the passerelle into the vessel, fit the exhaust, and connect it to our two engines.
With 25 acres of production space to cover, our next stop is the 84 and 110 assembly building. So Dick, I noticed a pretty interesting scaffolding system you got set up here.
Right. I'll tell you, we designed this for this building. Actually, each side articulates up or hinges up to allow us to get the travel lift in and pick the boats up and take them out to the launching facility. Of course, in a down position, they go right up to the boat and allow the workers to get closer to the boat.
Right, got it.
Let's go on up and we'll take a look at how we're doing on the 84.
There's a beehive of activity aboard as the Lazzara workers run wires, secure hosing, and do whatever else needs to be done here to move the process towards completion.
What we're doing now is we're getting some of the furniture pieces will come in. We'll start placing the furniture pieces. All of the electrical and mechanical will have been completed.
Right.
And after that, we put the headliner prep is going in right now. And then down below, we also have probably the furniture is already in down there. We go take a look.
Can we take a look?
Sure.
It's hard to imagine that in about 4 weeks, this will all be transformed into the luxurious and comfortable living accommodations Lazzara Yachts are noted for. But it will happen. The Lazzara 84 has a full walk-around, and there's a stop to make before we continue.
I want to point out to you the soft patch in here, a hatch that could be removed to be able to take the engines out.
Oh, so if we had to do any major work on them, we just lift this hatch out and we can get to the engines.
Exactly.
Excellent.
Come on, let's go down here. This is the modular air conditioning unit for the boat. The air conditioning comes already in this rack, pre-wired, pre-plumbed. We pick it up, we drop it in the boat, hook it up, it's good to go.
Right. Let's see over there, those are the Cat engines?
But these are the Caterpillar engines. These are the cats that chase the big dogs out there. This engine, standard engine package, powers the boat at 33 knots.
33 knots,
yeah.
fully loaded.
Fully loaded. That's the basic assembly process right there.
Right.
After the boat is complete, we take it into a staging area where we do all the pre-commissioning and the finishing detailing. All the hull is buffed, the deck is buffed, all the windows are detailed, all the QC inspections are done, and then it goes in the water for testing.
So after that, the boat's ready to go?
Well, after that, the boat's ready to be tested. It still hadn't got the seal approval for the Lazzara stamp yet.
Okay. So let's go see that.
Let's take a look.
Once the boat reaches this station, it is gone over with a fine-tooth comb the Lazzara way, after which the boat goes in the water for its week-long exhaustive and exacting engineering trials. Delivering a yacht like the Lazzara 84 to its new owners takes not only the combined efforts of the design and manufacturing team, but also a vast and attentive infrastructure of personal attention that each and every owner gets. And it all starts here at the exceptional Lazzara Yacht University.
Lazzara Yacht University is unique in the industry. Nobody else does anything like this. What we do here is give owners and operators the information they can't get anywhere else. We provide you with the information on how we put the boat together here, so you know how our systems are built, how to maintain them from the years of experience we have and how they operate. That prevents you from having problems that you would otherwise have, and that makes your yachting experience all the richer. Because Lazzara Yachts is a family-oriented company, the Lazzara Yacht University is the first step in the relationship between the owners, the captains, and the company. And this is a relationship that we like to perpetuate throughout the entire ownership.
Then there's C-Check, Lazzara's all-inclusive diagnostics service program.
In 1991, Lazzara Yachts introduced the Yacht Diagnostic Service program called C-Check, which is now the industry leader as far as yacht maintenance is concerned, and also being able to allow us to engineer some of the finest product built in the marketplace today. The C-Check book consists of the ISIS download data from onboard ship's computer. It will capture battery statuses, for example, and any pertinent data on the yacht. There's approximately 115 data points that it will collect every minute of operation and is logged into the ship's computer, and that analysis is downloaded and shown here in the C-Check book, which is presented by the owner on an annual basis.
Working to create the distinctive balance and harmony of the beautiful interiors is the Lazzara design team. I'm sitting here with Ari, Betty, and Chris, the interior design team at Lazzara Yachts, and we're going to find out what each of these ladies do to make each Lazzara yacht special.
Our design team here at Lazzara is always on the lookout for new and exciting, innovative fabrics. We go to shows all over the world looking for exciting and new products. We have an extensive library of fabrics. We have silks, leathers, velvets, any kind of imaginable fabric for furniture, for bedspreads, pillows, all the different items that you might need in your boat.
Lazzara Yachts Design Studio is unique because we are here to assist the owners through every step of the furnishing process. We assist them with the selection of the marbles, the fabric, the carpet, even the hardware. And when the boat is finished, it is truly a reflection of their wishes, and it's not just a production boat. And it's our hope that they really feel part of the Lazzara family.
The Lazzara Design Studio team not only offers or assists our owners with the selection of their interior, but we also assist them with the selection of their yacht provision. And that's what really makes the Lazzara also very different from our competition.
The end product of all this work is, of course, beautiful yachts such as the Lazzara 84. As exciting on the inside as she is on the outside, this Lazzara shows off the personal tastes of her new owners, from the salon to the dining area, from the master and guest quarters to the galley, dinette, and pilot house spaces. And from the spacious bridge deck and even into her engine room, this is the way Lazzara builds its boats. And it's something that is summed up by Lazzara President Dick Lazzara.
Well, Ken, I think the thing that makes Lazzara Yachts so special is the fact that we're 3 generations of boat builders. It's a family business, and as I tell our buyers, we don't sell boats, we adopt families.
The Lazzara 84 is as sweet to drive as she is to look at. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Dick Lazzara and everybody with the Lazzara organization for all their help in putting this presentation together. I'm Ken Chrysler, Senior Editor of Power & Motor Yacht Magazine, and I hope you enjoyed your time aboard this beautiful boat as much as I did showing you around. We'll see you next time on PMY TV.